particular case. There is a lot that needs to be investigated. Let's see where the story goes. Moving on to some more breaking news that's coming in from across the country now. Congress MLA Maman Khan has been charged with UAPA. In the past, in the new violence case, has stoked another controversy. He was in the spotlight during the communal riots last year. During the Jal Abhishek in Nuh, has come again under the limelight with a statement that has been made while addressing the people during election campaign. This Congress leader called Maman Khan, has said that those who have done injustice to the children of Mewat will have to leave Mewat as soon as the Congress government is formed. A controversial comment being made. Listen in.
तीसरे दिन गाड़ी लेके बच्चों को ऐसे मुर्गी की तरह भटक के ले जाना शुरू कर दिया। मारना पीटना हाथ पैर तोड़ना बहुत आम हो गया। हौसले बुलंद हो गए। वक्त आएगा, सरकार बनेगी इंशाअल्लाह। जिन जालिमों ने हमारे बच्चों के साथ अन्याय किया है, मुझे एक एक की पता है, एक एक को जानता हूं। जिन्होंने लिस्ट दी है, किसी भी सूरत में बख्शूंगा नहीं। या तो उनको मेवात छोड़ना पड़ेगा, यहाँ नहीं रहना पड़ेगा। यहाँ तीसरे दिन गाड़ी लेके बच्चों को ऐसे मुर्गी की तरह भटक के ले जाना शुरू कर दिया। मारना पीटना हाथ पैर तोड़ना बहुत आम हो गया। हौसले बुलंद हो गए। वक्त आएगा, सरकार बनेगी इंशाअल्लाह। जिन जालिमों ने हमारे बच्चों के साथ अन्याय किया है, मुझे एक एक की पता है, एक एक को जानता हूं। जिन्होंने लिस्ट दी है, किसी भी सूरत में बख्शूंगा नहीं। या तो उनको मेवात छोड़ना पड़ेगा, यहाँ नहीं रहना पड़ेगा, यहाँ बाहर जाना पड़ेगा।
Okay, Lalit is joining us with more details. Lalit, give us more details of what Maman Khan has said, why it's controversial.
If we talk about the Congress MLA, Mr. Maman Khan is once again in the controversies, again in the spotlight, as yesterday during a rally. While speaking to the public, he said that when Congress would be coming in power, the way BJP has done with his community people, he will take the revenge of each and everything. He said that he knows what the previous government have done, and when the Congress will come in power, he will take the revenge of everything. If you talk about last year when there was a Jal Abhishek program and there was riots in Mewat, that time also Maman Khan gave the controversial statement. So once again now he is in the spotlight, he is into controversy over his remarks. He has given that if Congress comes in power, he knows how to deal with the BJP and how to take revenge. Back to the studio.
Okay, thank you for joining us with those details. Moving on to some more breaking news update now coming in poll-bound Haryana. I have some details coming in. Let's go across to that. Former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupender Singh Hooda has stirred a controversy. Hooda has said that if the Congress government comes to power in Haryana, we will open the Shambu border. Shambu pole plank, Shambu border, it was alleged that the opposition, primarily Aam Aadmi Party and Congress, instigated farmers to go and sit on the Shambu border. And look at this. Hooda says if Congress government comes to power, we will open the Shambu border. They were the ones who closed the Shambu border. Now they're saying they will open the Shambu border. What's going on? Lalit.
Once again, if we talk about the former Chief Minister and the CLP leader of Haryana, senior leader, Bhupender Singh Hooda, while speaking to the rally and addressing the people, he said that they are totally supporting the farmers. They have cornered BJP on every issue in Haryana, whether it was the wrestlers issue, law and order issue, or the farmers issue. He even said that when Congress would come in power, they would open the gates of the Shambu border. It's been around more than 8 to 9 months that farmers are still sitting in the Shambu border.
Yes.
Bhupender Singh Hooda alleged that BJP government especially has put big nails and big barricades over the Shambu border. So if the Congress comes into power, he would be the first one to open the gates so that farmers can move and cross to Delhi. Back to studio.
Okay, thank you for joining us with those inputs. Let's move on now and get you some breaking news updates coming in from Shivamogga in Karnataka. I'm going across to